Hi, welcome back to class, and we're on Module 12 now. And so this section focuses on work and the economy. And so I'll show you what we're going to do. This is going to be a more easygoing week. And for the reason we're doing this is I want you to start thinking in the back of your head about trying to find a video or an article that discusses a social problem, because we're going to have a later assignment that gets into that in order to make up for the fact that we cannot do the group presentation that I had set up earlier in the syllabus. So I'll give you some time to kind of research this, and next week I'll introduce that assignment to you. So this week we're moving on to Module 12 that focuses on work and the economy. I don't have much extra videos for you, so we're really going to focus just on the book. And so you're going to have a Dropbox assignment that, again, focuses on the text. And I want you to make sure you start responding to the Module 11 discussion that you started last week. I know there were a couple of posts responding early, but just if you did that, just do 3 more responses this week to each of the threads. So it's a total of 6 responses. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to post an initial post for this week on top of doing your Dropbox and the quiz. So I will go and show you what's expected this week. And again, this will be a pretty easygoing week for you. I just want you to get used to doing the discussions, how we do it in my classes generally. So last week, you posted your initial post here to Module 11. I just moved it down here again. And this week, you're going to go on and you're going to just post responses onto either to both of these threads. So you're going to respond to each other. You're starting at this point to respond to last week's discussion, and I expect you to log on at least 3 different days to do this. It won't take you very long. You can actually have your responses done in a couple of minutes. Then we have 4 questions that refer back to the chapter. So just do short 1 to 2 paragraph answers. Just give me some of your thoughts here. Then there's a short video from CBS News looking at wealth inequality using pies to illustrate how wealth is divided up in this question, in this country. And then we have Module 12 discussion forum. The first one's looking at labor unions. Again, another topic discussed in the book. And then here is about the video on wealth inequality. And so I want you to discuss what should be done to address this issue. So from a social policy perspective, which is a class as a follow-up to this one, there are 4 directions we generally go with addressing a social problem. One is amelioration, which is lessening the problem. Number 2 is eliminating the problem. 3 is maintaining the status quo. So it's a fancy word for saying this, letting the present trends continue. So you just leave things as they are. And number 4 is increase it. So maybe add to the issue. And again, that is done sometimes. So you're just going to put your initial post this week on this one. Okay. So again, you're putting your initial post here till next week, Tuesday, and you're responding to these ones. And then of course, you have your Module 12 quiz. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, this is going to be a fairly easy week, but I'd like for you to take this time to go and maybe try to find an article that discusses social problems, or maybe a YouTube video that's short, under 5 or 6 minutes, something under at least under 10 minutes that discusses a social problem, something that you can submit later on in the semester. So I will give more information on this to you, but this is a good time to start looking. If you have any questions, make sure you send me an email and I will get back to you. Thank you so much.